Life is like the waves at the beach, always moving and changing. Sometimes they're big and exciting, and other times they're calm and peaceful. And just like the sunrise, every morning brings a new beginning. It's a chance to start fresh, leave yesterday behind, and embrace the beauty of the present moment. So, my friend, dive into life's waves and let the sunrise guide your journey. Embrace the ups and downs, and always believe in the beauty of new beginnings. Ride those waves with courage and greet its day with a heart full of joy. You're amazing, and the world is waiting for you to make your own splash.